Catching your eye, understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English expression, catch one's eye. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it. The phrase, catch one's eye, refers to something attracting your attention or interest in a sudden or noticeable way. It's often used when something stands out visually and draws your gaze towards it. This can be due to its uniqueness, brightness, color, movement, or any other characteristic that makes it distinct in your environment. The origin of catch one's eye is quite literal. It dates back to when noticing something visually was described as catching the eye. Over time, it has become a metaphorical expression. In everyday usage, you might hear it in contexts like shopping. That dress in the window caught my eye. At an art gallery, the painting caught my eye from across the room. Or even in describing interpersonal attraction. She caught my eye the moment I walked into the room. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. As I was browsing the bookstore, a bright cover caught my eye. 2. During the meeting, his unique perspective really caught my eye. 3. We were walking down the street when a quaint little cafe caught our eye. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, stand out, grab one's attention, and turn heads are all used in contexts where something is visually or metaphorically striking enough to draw attention. And that's a wrap on Catch One's Eye. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel more confident in using this expression. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas, and phrases like these add color and depth to our conversations. Stay tuned for more such interesting English language explorations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.